Have you ever pondered about the role of artificial intelligence in the military industry? Imagine a world where machine learning algorithms aid in designing advanced weaponry, where AI-driven systems enhance military training, and where intelligent machines play a pivotal role in strategic military operations. This isn't a figment of imagination but rather a reality of today's military industry. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping the way military forces operate around the globe. Its application ranges from the development of cutting-edge weaponry to the optimization of AI-based training methods. By leveraging AI, the military industry is able to predict, plan, and execute strategies with a level of precision and speed that was once unthinkable. Moreover, AI's potential to process vast amounts of data in real time is transforming the military industry, making it more efficient, more precise, and more responsive to emerging threats. So it's clear that AI is indeed a game-changer in the military industry, but how exactly is it being applied? To understand the impact of AI, we need to delve into real-life applications. Consider the world of military drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are often the silent observers in the sky, collecting data for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With the introduction of AI, drones have evolved from simple data gatherers to sophisticated autonomous systems. They can now analyze data in real time, identify targets, and even make decisions about whether to engage. This level of autonomy not only increases efficiency, but also reduces the risk to human life. Now let's switch gears to missile technology. AI has revolutionized this arena by powering missile guidance systems. These intelligent systems can adjust the missile's course mid-flight, ensuring precision targeting. They can also react to unexpected changes, such as the sudden appearance of a new threat, or a change in the target's location. This ability to adapt in real time is a game changer, enhancing the missile's effectiveness and reducing collateral damage. Lastly, we can't overlook the role of AI in military logistics and planning. AI algorithms can predict supply needs, optimize routes for transport, and even assist in strategic decision-making. This allows for more efficient use of resources and better preparedness for different combat scenarios. These case studies provide a glimpse into the transformative power of AI in the military, but let's summarize what we have learned. In the brief time we've spent together, we've explored some intriguing aspects of AI's role in the military. We've dived into how AI is revolutionizing military operations, from developing advanced weaponry to enhancing tactical training. Our journey underscored the powerful real-world applications of AI as showcased in the case studies. As AI continues to evolve, so will its applications in the military industry. It's an exciting and sometimes daunting frontier, but one thing is certain: the impact of AI on the military is profound and will only continue to grow.